It is now Saturday evening, the 10th of September, 2 days before I leave for Philippines, and all my things is down here. Everything is packed, and everything is ready. Here the passport, boarding pass, everything, the ticket for the plane. So tomorrow morning I will do the washing of my clothes and finish the packing, and then I am ready to go for the Philippines in 2 days.
Currently, Prince Philip's coffin is resting in the Royal Vault. After the Queen is finally laid to rest, Philip will be moved to join his wife. The royal family is expected to enter 1 month of mourning, a period determined by the new king, Charles III. Interestingly, Charles could have followed royal tradition and chosen any name as king as he pleased. It was widely thought he'd settle for George's name as king. And it would make sense, given that Queen Elizabeth was the longest reigning British monarch in history. It meant Charles was king in waiting longer than anyone ever. So to change his name now would be weird, to say the least. But as new king, he does not have the luxury of mourning. Like his mother before him, duty comes first. While Charles will resume the Queen's duties immediately, some think he might also take on issues that traditionally previous monarchs have deliberately kept clear of, like political and social issues. Charles is notoriously passionate about climate change, which many royal experts believe he will address as king. Charles's title is not the only one that changed. Prince William also inherited his father's former title, along with the titles of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. Will and Kate are now also the Duke and Duchess of Cornwall, and it was immediately changed on their social media. The new titles might not mean more roles and responsibilities. William and Kate were both already senior working royals and have already taken on more roles in the past years. As for Prince Harry and Meghan, their titles are unchanged. But it is, however, very likely, due to royal rule and tradition, and the fact that Harry moves up in succession, that their kids will become Prince Archie and Princess Elizabeth. Sadly, even though Harry left as soon as he could, he reportedly did not make it in time to say goodbye. Fans fear this might fill Harry with deep sadness and regret. I hope you go big.
So, I'm preparing now for the surprise because my love is coming. W, E, and ano ang sinunod? C, O, M, and E. So, nasa welcome pa lang. Ay, yan pala. Nasa welcome pa lang tayo. Tapos, H, saan yung O ko? H, O, M, and E again. So, love. So, ito na ang na-finish ko. So, ayan ang mga welcome home ko. Ayusin ko pa sila. Tapos, magta-try tayong magpa-logo nito. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko kaya. Ito. Yan yung maliit na ganito. Yan kasi gagamitin ko sa may gilid. Tapos, ito na nga lang mo ng heart. Yan. So, palabuhin natin itong heart ko. Itong iaabot ko kay my love. From the start. See my love. See my love. Siya din. Ready na din siya. So, kami ay magtatagpo. Ilang year ba? 1 year and 5 months lang naman. Pinagpala at magkikita na kami dahil wala nang lockdown. So, pwede na kami itong heart yung aking logo. At then, dun sa aking pader, meron na akong green at blue na cortina. Anong tawag dito? So, yan, papatok sa inyo. Yan. Yan ang aking design. Hindi pa tapos. Ayusin ko mamaya. Tapos meron pa ng my love na mga balloons. Eh, hindi pa ako tapos. Oo nga pala, no? Welcome home pa lang nagagawa ko. So, wala pa yung my love. Gagawin ko pa. Ano natin, yung love or yung puso. Kanina ayaw lumubol yung letter. Ihuli-huli na. Diyos ko ayaw ko. Yan. So, naririnig ko na yung ganun sunod. Ibig sabihin, ano siya? Nalobo na. So, ori yung iawag ko kay my love. Pero, nilalagay ako ng ibang basta meron akong mga pinarate yun. Nalagay ko. I love you forever. Cute, diba? Pipicture nga ako. Ayan, pabebe na. Maganda na naman ako. Ayan. Ay, isa pa. Hindi siya masyadong malubo. Kailangan ko pang hangin ng lugar. Hindi pa. Pwede na pala. Ayun na. So, arin na ang puso ko. Dalihan ko ito ng ribbon. Madami. Ito pula. Kaya hindi pula talaga. Ang ganda na. So, may aabot ko kay Myla. Ano yun, ma? Mila! Ayun, o, tinan. Ganda pa naman ng mata. Mila! Ganda ng mata niya. Blue at saka green. So ano, nalusot nga sa may ano ko, ma? Sa damitan ko. Yun, ayun na. Naghikab na. Diyos ko dahil. Ma, tignan mo naman ang ginawa. Ma, bakit siya naggaganon? Bebe! Tingnan mo yung pusa ko. Nabisa. Mila. Alam ba, binigyan ni Jan ng pangalan. Alam mo ang pangalan? Mila.
Mila daw po, Mila.
Mila.
Di, ano yung gusto sa cellphone ko, Mila?
Ano ba? Ano, Lebisar? Oh, Tidang! Ano? Diyan pala sila Tito Manny. Hanggang kailan po dyan sila Tito Manny? Mila! Inaanto ka na? Tulog mo na ikaw? Mila! Ayaw mo naman kumain. Paano na tayo nito? Picturean na lang kita, dali. Smile! Ayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa aking surprise kanina. So ganito pala ito. First time ko kasi. So diba, halimbawa ito yung letter E. So ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin itong blue balloon, ang tawag nila. So dito sa likod yan. So nandito kasi siya. Yan, may bilog-bilog. Tapos isa-isahin natin yan ng dikit. So yan, nakapagdikit na ako sa isa. So dito naman sa kabila. Dinikit ko lang, tapos yun, so kumapit na siya, tapos yun yung ititikit natin dun, wait lang. So ako ay nasa WE na. Isa pa. Ako lang kasi. Ako yung pusa ko, ayan, nag-iingay na. So yan, yung letter E natin. And, itikit ko na siya dito. So, WE na. Nakikita nyo. WE. We. We.